Kenna, and today I'm going to be making a dish. 1 second, wait. Dish soap. We'll just look at it. And dishwash soap. Yeah, so let's tell you the ingredients that you'll need. You're going to be needing soap. I have this Dawn soap. You're going to need a salt, a container, and soap, and something to mix it all with. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to take my container, and I'm going to fill it with some dish soap. The bubbles. You guys missed the bubbles. Ooh. Okay, so and then some dish soap. And I'm only going to add a small amount. So it's a dish soap. Now, you want to take some salt, only a little bit of salt. Take some salt and put it into the dish soap. You only want a little bit at a time. And then you keep mixing and keep adding dish soap until it's fine. Okay, now I'm going to finish up my slime and I'll be back. So guys, on my slime, it didn't work. So now, as you can see, I added too much salt and became really watery. So now I'm going to be using hand soap instead, or even body wash. I'm actually going to use body wash. So yeah, so let's go get my body wash. So now I've got this Irish Spring soap, and I'm going to be using this. I'm going to see if this works, and then we'll also use some Bath and Body Works slime. Oh, if you guys notice, I'm in a different background. I'm at my sister's house. Now I'm just going to wash it out and try it with the different soap. And I'll be done after I'm done washing it. So guys, I washed it and dried it so I can not get any water in it. There's only like water on the outside. So now I'm just going to add in that Irish Spring soap. I don't think there's any left. I think I filled some. So now I'm going to try to use the Bath and Body Works one. So now I got the Bath and Body Works one. I'm going to add it in. Okay. It's this pink 1,000 Wishes. So now I've got the salt. Now I added my salt. I'm just going to mix up the slime with soap. I already see it becoming slime. Wow. This one's working a little bit better. If you guys can see, it's becoming slime. You guys can't really see, but I'll show you. It's becoming slime. It's got that more of a slime-like texture. So I'm just going to add in a little bit more salt. No, I added put in too much salt. Now it's watery. As you see, it's watery now. I'm going to try it again. And so basically what you do with this slime is like you add a little bit of salt and not too much salt, and then you put it in the freezer for a while. I'm gonna do it for about 15 minutes, and then I'll come back to you about it. Probably in another video, but yeah, I'm gonna try to redo the slime. So guys, I'm gonna put on the timer. I don't know if the video is gonna still be here, but if it's not, thank you guys for watching. I'm just saying just in case it isn't here yet. I'm gonna put on a timer, put this in the freezer for about 15 minutes, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. If the video's still not here when I come back, and yeah, so yeah, thank you guys for watching.